Welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone, the place where your favorite heroes come to life through the magic of drawing and coloring. Today, we're spending time with the amazing PJ masks, Catboy, Gekko, and Owlette, as we create their colorful masks and action poses. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, help us grow, and watch this video till the end. And if you learned something new or had fun, tell us in the comments below. We begin with Catboy's mask, shaping the smooth blue outline and those tall, pointy ears that make him look fast and brave. His big eyes show focus and courage, just like the leader he is when the team goes into action. Soft blue tones fill his mask, with light highlights that make it shine like the night sky. Gentle shadows around his eyes bring the design to life, making Catboy look ready for adventure. Now comes Gekko. Strong and brave with a big heart and bright green style. We trace his round mask with the cute lizard-like fin on top, showing his brave and friendly look. Fresh green colors fill the mask, glowing like his super camouflage power. Soft, darker shades give depth and texture, making it look just like Gekko's real hero mask. Next is Owlette, the smart and fearless flyer of the PJ Masks team. We draw the mask with wide wing-like sides and kind eyes that show her confident spirit. Small touches of shadow make her face glow with power, just like when she soars across the night sky. Beautiful shades of red and pink blend together, giving her mask a graceful, feathery look. Owlette spreads her wings wide, flying high with grace and confidence. Her cape stretches behind her like feathers in motion, and her eyes sparkle with courage and kindness. Her body pose shows movement and energy as if she's ready to swoop down to save the day. Catboy leaps into action with arms and legs spread, full of speed and excitement. The stripes on his suit run across his arms and legs, showing how fast and powerful he can move. Gekko crouches low, ready to climb, jump, or use his super strength. His wide smile shows he's always ready for teamwork and fun. Every line of his body shows energy and confidence, the perfect little hero moment. Owlette's suit glows with bright reds and soft pinks that blend beautifully like feathers. A few darker shades add shadows under her wings, making her look bold and full of power. Catboy's blue costume shines with different tones, from bright sky blue to deep navy. The lighter highlights make his stripes glow, giving him that fast, lightning-like look. Gekko's green suit pops with fun and brightness, just like his personality. Soft, darker greens and gentle shadows make his muscles and scales look full of life. And that's our amazing PJ Masks adventure. From the colorful masks to the action-packed heroes themselves. We brought Catboy, Gekko, and Owlette to life with bright colors and fun energy that every fan will love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kiddo Adventure Zone for more drawing and coloring fun every week. Tell me in the comments which PJ Masks hero you love the most. And I'll see you in the next exciting episode of Kiddo Adventure Zone.